The United States Marine Corps has integrated advanced robotic mobile targets into its training programs to enhance shooting accuracy and tactical decision-making skills. These targets, known as trackless mobile infantry targets, are semi-autonomous robots designed to simulate human movements and create realistic combat scenarios. The robots can move unpredictably across various terrains, mimicking human motion. This mobility forces Marines to adapt to dynamic targets, improving their shooting accuracy and reaction times. These robotic targets can perform actions such as attacking, retreating, or taking cover, creating a highly immersive training environment. Some models even replicate voice commands in foreign languages, further enhancing the realism. The integration of robotic mobile targets marks a significant advancement in military training technology, equipping Marines with tools to prepare for the complexities of modern warfare. China continues to modernize its military by actively integrating new technologies. At the 15th International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition, held in November 2024 in Zhuhai, China Electronics Technology unveiled a new generation of combat robots in the form of robotic dogs, referred to as robotic wolves. These devices showcase China's advanced achievements in military robotics and artificial intelligence. The robotic dogs are equipped with 4 limbs, granting them high maneuverability and the ability to traverse complex and rugged terrain. They can autonomously disembark from transport vehicles and operate in teams, executing commands from an operator. Some models are armed with combat modules including firearms, making them suitable for direct engagement in combat operations. These robots are particularly effective in reconnaissance, patrolling, and tactical missions. Their integrated AI systems enable them to analyze their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and interact seamlessly with both humans and other robotic machines. The presentation of robotic dogs at Airshow China 2024 highlights China's significant progress in military robotics and its commitment to integrating these technologies into future military systems. The U.S. Army is actively integrating robot dogs into its tests to expand the potential of unmanned technologies. As part of Operation Hard Kill at Fort Drum, they tested Vision 60 models from Ghost Robotics Company. These quadruped robots are equipped with a targeting system and an AR-15 rifle, and are designed to counter unmanned aerial vehicles and potential ground threats. One key feature of these robots is that they are operated remotely, allowing soldiers to stay at a safe distance. Control is managed through a specialized tablet, enabling the operator to aim using laser and infrared sights. The Vision 60 robots are capable of navigating rough terrain, making them valuable for reconnaissance, perimeter defense, and supporting combat units. With their maneuverability, these robots can patrol areas and respond quickly to emerging threats. The Russian army has unveiled its new development, a robotic tactical complex named Courier. This ground combat robot is designed to perform a variety of tasks, including reconnaissance, fire support for assault operations, destruction of fortified enemy positions, and covering evacuation groups. The robot is built on a modular platform, enabling it to be equipped with various armaments such as heavy machine guns and electronic warfare systems, as well as tools for cargo delivery or casualty evacuation. The Courier robot weighs 250 kilograms. Its tracked propulsion system ensures high mobility on rough terrain, while its powerful electric motors with a combined output of 6 kilowatts allow it to reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. The robot can operate autonomously for durations ranging from 12 to 72 hours, depending on the mission, and is controlled remotely by an operator at distances of 3 to 10 kilometers. However, American engineers are not ready to cede leadership in the development of heavy autonomous weaponry to China. The U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, under its RACER program, has developed an experimental autonomous ground platform promising to revolutionize the field of unmanned heavy vehicles. Known as the RHP, this platform boasts several key features. Its autonomy is powered by advanced artificial intelligence systems and sensors, enabling it to analyze its surroundings and make real-time decisions independently. Equipped with powerful engines and an enhanced suspension system, the RHP demonstrates exceptional off-road capability, navigating rugged terrains, including mountainous areas, forests, and urban zones with speed and efficiency. The platform's modular design allows the integration of various modules and equipment tailored to specific tasks, such as reconnaissance, cargo transportation, or combat support operations. It is designed for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering in high-risk areas, delivering ammunition, supplies, and other cargo to inaccessible or hazardous locations, and participating in engineering operations such as mine clearance and the construction of temporary structures. The Greek company SAS Technology has developed drone Sesa SRS-1X, marking a significant advancement in unmanned aerial vehicles. This versatile drone is designed to perform a wide range of tasks in both military and civilian sectors. The Sesa SRS-1X is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, enabling it to effectively conduct reconnaissance, surveillance, and search and rescue operations. One of the key features of the 1X is its ability to carry and launch missiles. In April 2023, the drone successfully conducted tests launching the Hydra 70 missile, produced by Thales, Belgium. This was a significant achievement, as launching such a missile from a small and easily transportable drone had not been accomplished before. It is expected that in the future, Sesa drones armed with missiles will be able to protect Greece's islands from enemy sea invasions, participate in special forces operations, and provide cover for military personnel. These drones will be at the full disposal of unit commanders, eliminating the need to request support from fighter jets or attack helicopters for every mission. The Themis is a versatile tracked robotic platform developed by the Estonian company Unry Robotics to support troops in various combat and auxiliary roles, including cargo transport, casualty evacuation, reconnaissance, and fire support. The robot has already seen combat deployment, with Ukrainian forces actively utilizing it and acknowledging its effectiveness. The platform boasts a payload capacity of 750 kilograms and a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour. It is equipped with a hybrid power system, enabling operation for up to 8 hours in hybrid mode or from 30 minutes to 1.5 hours in fully electric mode. The track design ensures excellent mobility across diverse terrains, including sand, snow, and rugged landscapes. The primary purpose of the Themis is to enhance the efficiency and safety of military operations. It assists in transporting ammunition, evacuating wounded soldiers under enemy fire, providing fire support to infantry units, and gathering reconnaissance information. Engineers from the Estonian company Unry Robotics have developed the Type X, a robotic combat vehicle designed to support mechanized units and enhance their combat capabilities. Acting as a wingman for main battle tanks, the Type X can be equipped with various weapon modules, including autocannons ranging from 25 to 50 millimeters, delivering firepower comparable to or exceeding that of traditional infantry fighting vehicles. The Type X is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, offering high mobility with a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour on roads and 50 kilometers per hour on rough terrain. Weighing approximately 12 tons, it can tackle slopes of up to 45 degrees and ford water depths of up to 1.5 meters. Its 50-centimeter ground clearance and zero turning radius make it highly maneuverable in challenging conditions. Additionally, the Type X can be equipped with the Quadbox system by Elister, which includes a tethered tactical unmanned aerial vehicle for reconnaissance and communications relay, further expanding its operational versatility. At the ILA Berlin Airshow 2024, German company Avilis GmbH unveiled the world's first rescue drone, designed for evacuating casualties and transporting cargo in high-risk zones. The drone is powered by a 240-kilowatt electric motor and can reach speeds of up to 86 kilometers per hour. It has a maximum flight altitude of 2.1 kilometers and a range of 51 kilometers. With a payload capacity of up to 135 kilograms, the drone named Grill features a medical compartment to safely transport injured individuals, making it a highly effective tool for medical evacuation in hazardous environments. The use of such a drone reduces costs and enhances safety for both casualties and rescue teams. Currently, the German military is evaluating the drone for potential future deployment. China and Cambodia once again conducted joint exercises using the military robot dogs of the future. During these exercises between the armed forces of China and Cambodia, the PLA showcased the capabilities of quadruped robots reminiscent of machines from sci-fi films. These robot dogs, mounted with automatic rifles, are designed for urban combat operations and are capable of identifying targets and engaging. More than 2,000 troops participated in the joint exercises held in a training camp in Cambodia's central Kampong Chhnang province and off the coast of Kampong Som. The exercises included 14 warships, 2 helicopters, and 69 armored vehicles and tanks. Combat, counter-terrorism, and rescue operations were all practiced during the drills. The main highlight was the robot dogs, quadrupedal machines remotely controlled and equipped with automatic weapons. The Chinese rifle-equipped robot dog is based on the Unry Go-2 model, available for $1,800 to $3,000 depending on the version. It features an ultra-wide LiDAR, a controller, and supports large language model AI functions. Weighing around 15 kilograms, its body and limbs are made from an aluminum alloy and high-strength plastic. It can reach speeds of up to 3.5 meters per second while carrying a load of up to 8 kilograms, with a battery lasting about 2 hours. At a recent airshow in China, engineers from the nation unveiled a 6th-generation aerospace fighter jet for the first time in history. Named BiD, or White Emperor, this cutting-edge aircraft is a product of the Aviation Industry Corporation of China and is designed to function as a comprehensive aerospace fighter. It is capable of achieving supersonic speeds and, if necessary, exiting Earth's atmosphere. The fighter jet is intended for a variety of combat missions, with a modular fuselage design enabling adaptation to different scenarios. Expanded internal missile bays enhance the aircraft's stealth capabilities and combat performance, making it suitable for high-intensity tactical operations. The prototype's aerodynamic design highlights a focus on stealth, with angular surfaces aimed at reducing radar reflectivity. The White Emperor project is being developed under the Nantianmen Scientific and Educational Initiative, which focuses on the technologies of the future. The Turks have introduced a true breakthrough in the field of unmanned robotic machines. The Turkish combat robot Barkin has learned to fire mini-rockets called Meat. The robot was adopted by the Turkish Army in the summer of 2023 after successful field tests. During these tests, the robot successfully utilized the Roketsan rocket system with laser guidance, also known as Meat. The robot launched a rocket at a static target and hit it. The Meat rocket has a caliber of 40 millimeters and a range of 1 kilometer. The robot can also be equipped with 5.56 millimeters and 7.62 millimeters machine guns. Additionally, the robot can be used for bomb disposal, providing chemical, biological, radiological protection, cargo delivery, towing, reconnaissance, mapping, and rescue operations. The manufacturer also claims that Barkin can be used both independently and as part of a drone swarm, meaning it can be deployed in joint operations with other ground and aerial vehicles. AW609 is the latest robot dog developed by a Turkish company for use in military operations. This robot is equipped with automatic weapons and is designed to perform tasks such as laser targeting for Turkey's unmanned aerial vehicles. The robot dog can traverse various types of terrain thanks to advanced navigation and stealth movement systems. This makes it an effective tool for reconnaissance and support in combat operations, where human presence might be dangerous or impossible. The robot's armament includes automatic weapons, allowing AW609 to actively participate in combat and hit targets with high precision. The laser targeting system mounted on the robot provides accurate guidance for drone strikes, significantly enhancing the effectiveness of joint operations. During its initial test trials, AW609 demonstrated high accuracy and reliability in performing combat tasks. Turkey has conducted tests of the latest weaponry for the small tactical unmanned aerial vehicle Songar, developed by the Turkish company Asisguard. In addition to a light machine gun, the UAV can attack enemy targets with domestically produced mini-rockets. During the live fire tests, 8 successful launches of mini-rockets mounted on the Songar drones were carried out. The drone itself weighs 25 kilograms, has an operational range of 16 kilometers, and a flight altitude of 2.8 kilometers. It is equipped with a day-night camera that transmits real-time video. Songar can be armed with firearms such as an assault rifle, machine gun, or 40mm grenade launcher, and is capable of dropping small bombs. For targeting, the UAV uses data from its cameras and a laser rangefinder, and the special mounting structure for the machine gun is designed to minimize recoil after firing. But perhaps the furthest advancement in the development of invisibility cloaks has been made by the Chinese. Reports on Chinese social media indicate the arrival of the first 1,000 invisible military suits in the People's Liberation Army of China. There's no official confirmation, but it's known that Chinese scientists came close to creating this revolutionary technology 2 years ago. The concept of an invisibility cloak may seem more like magic than science, but Chinese researchers are diligently working on creating devices that can scatter and bend light, rendering the object behind them invisible. Previously, such devices attempted to be made based on metamaterials. These materials possess novel properties not found in naturally occurring substances or in the individual particles of the material. However, working with them is challenging, so the decision was made to use molybdenum trioxide. This material could serve as an excellent platform for controlling energy flows due to its unique properties. Modeling results have shown that rolled-up sheets of molybdenum trioxide could replace metamaterials. It already demonstrates nearly perfect invisibility. The Chinese military is poised to make an unprecedented technological breakthrough and is gradually beginning the process of replacing soldiers with robots armed with rifles. Recent research has shown that semi-autonomous killer machines are capable of shooting targets with rifles as effectively as humans. They are expected to enhance the combat capabilities of troops and guard important facilities. Let's start our selection with one of the most promising robo-dogs. The Chinese robot dog Unry B2 continues to break all records. The robot can maintain balance on stairs and can accelerate to an incredible 6 meters per second. It can withstand a load of over 120 kilograms and can walk for more than 5 hours on a single battery charge. Initially, the robot model with the index B1, introduced in 2022, was intended for industrial use. Unry B1, for example, could move underwater, carry a load of up to 80 kilograms, and operate continuously on a single battery charge for 2 hours without a load. Now, Unry Robotics has developed a more advanced model, Unry B2. The new quadruped robot weighs 60 kilograms and has more powerful actuators, producing a torque of 380 Newton meters. Thanks to them, the robot dog can carry up to 120 kilograms of cargo statically and over 40 kilograms in motion. With a battery capacity of 2,250 watt-hours, the robot can move continuously for more than 5 hours without a load, covering about 20 kilometers, and for over 2 hours with a carried load of 45 kilograms. The dynamic characteristics of the actuators allow the robot to make long jumps of over 1.6 meters, jump off heights of over 1 meter, and run at a maximum speed of 6 meters per second. Moreover, the robot is very stable. B2 can maintain balance on a slippery floor covered with banana peels, despite being pushed by engineers. The increased stability allows B2 not to fall while moving on stairs, despite the engineers' active attempts to knock it over. The robot is kicked, pulled by a rope attached to it, and logs are rolled under its feet. Unry B2 can walk on stairs, including backward or sideways. The robot can also climb 45-degree slopes and move on cluttered surfaces. For spatial orientation, B2 uses LiDAR, depth camera, and regular high-resolution camera. It is planned that the robot will be used in industry, for example, for remote inspection of objects, and the military also plans to use the robot for their purposes. By the way, besides all the above, the walking robot Unry B2 can be easily converted into a wheeled version. To do this, it will be enough to replace the lower parts of the legs. The combat robot UKAP is Turkey's first unmanned armed vehicle, developed by Katmersiller in collaboration with Aselsan. UKAP is designed for various military tasks, including infantry fire support, ammunition transportation, and the evacuation of wounded soldiers from the battlefield. The robot was first presented at the IDEF 2017 exhibition. UKAP is equipped with the SARP remote-controlled weapon station from Aselsan, which supports firing on the move, day and night modes, and automatic target tracking. The weapon station can be fitted with a 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine gun, or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The dimensions of UKAP are 2 meters in length, 1.8 meters in width, and 1 meter in height, with a weight of 1,100 kilograms. Its compact size and low thermal signature make it ideal for covert movement in challenging conditions. UKAP can also be used for logistical tasks and reconnaissance without risking personnel lives, making it a valuable asset for the Turkish armed forces. The Turkish company Electroland Defense, which manufactures military robotic machines, has introduced an interesting development called Bogach. This robot is designed to evacuate the wounded during battle. It is a self-propelled electrified platform with remote control. Together with another platform on tracks, it approaches the injured soldier. The tracked platform grabs the soldier by the belt or clothing using a crane manipulator. Then it transfers the person to inflatable stretchers, which are then winched onto the wheeled platform. A special operator remotely controls all of this from cover. Electroland Defense's development allows medics and military personnel to remain safe and unharmed, while evacuating the wounded from the battlefield. The developers have assured that this concept of wounded evacuation is the first of its kind in the world. Electroland Defense worked in coordination with the country's security agencies, taking into account their experience and needs. Ukrainian engineers from Droid company have developed a unique military robot named the Droid TW12.7 for their army's needs. The primary purpose of the Droid TW12.7 is to provide fire support, reconnaissance, and patrol capabilities in combat conditions. The robot is equipped with a heavy-caliber Browning M2 machine gun, chambered in 12.7 millimeters, with an ammunition capacity of 300 rounds. This enables it to effectively engage enemy personnel, light armored vehicles, and fortified positions. The Droid TW12.7 is remotely operated via secure digital communication channels. The operator controls the robot's actions using a tablet from a safe distance. The cost of a single robot ranges from $26,000 to $29,000, making it affordable compared to similar systems. Ukraine's Ministry of Defense has approved the use of the Droid TW12.7, which has successfully passed combat tests, demonstrating reliability and effectiveness. This development from engineers at Kinetic is named Minotaur, a robotic system designed to perform complex engineering tasks in high-risk environments. The Minotaur is based on the Bobcat T110 tracked loader platform and is equipped with a remotely operated robotic applique kit, which includes optical electronic infrared and daytime cameras, providing the operator with full visibility and control over the machine at a distance of up to 800 meters. The primary purpose of the Minotaur is to clear mines and transport engineering equipment. It features a roller mine flail, enabling efficient clearance of paths from mines and improvised explosive devices, ensuring the safety of military personnel and civilian specialists. Its diesel engine, delivering 42 horsepower, allows for a maximum speed of 13.5 kilometers per hour. The robotic applique kit ensures continuous operation for up to 24 hours, allowing the system to undertake long and complex missions without the need for frequent recharging or maintenance. The Jackal drone equipped with MANPADS missiles, capable of striking armored vehicles, is approaching its first order. The drone, armed with Martlet missiles, which with a warhead weight of 3 kilograms can effectively destroy APCs and IFVs, represents a highly intriguing solution that could undermine the standard tactics of using attack helicopters. Taiwan is the first potential buyer, having ordered 160 of these UAVs. At least, an agreement has been made between the British company Flyby Technology and Geosat Aerospace and Technology regarding the transfer of technology and the production of 160 such UAVs, as announced by the Taiwanese company. Combining a drone with MANPADS for countering attack helicopters appears to be an ideal countermeasure against the standard tactic of helicopters hiding behind the terrain. However, with such an anti-aircraft drone, this tactic becomes ineffective. This type of weaponry potentially makes the otherwise promising development direction of attack helicopters, which can engage targets in non-line-of-sight mode, seem powerless. Alarming news for America and its allies has been released by Pentagon officials. Chinese military engineers are actively testing an unmanned version of the ZTQ-15 military tank. This development is part of the People's Liberation Army of China's extensive program to create a new generation of autonomous combat vehicles. During trials, prototypes demonstrated high maneuverability and the ability to operate in challenging combat conditions, raising concerns among military analysts worldwide. According to insider reports, the unmanned ZTQ-15 retains the core characteristics of its manned counterpart, but incorporates several innovative features, including artificial intelligence. The tank is controlled by an advanced AI system capable of independently analyzing battlefield conditions, selecting targets, and adjusting its navigation route. The vehicle is equipped with modular combat systems, including a 105mm smoothbore cannon, guided missiles, and autonomous reconnaissance drones. It also features multi-layer composite armor with integrated active protection, designed to withstand modern anti-tank weaponry. The ZTQ-15 can operate in a swarm mode with other unmanned systems, including ground vehicles and drones. This capability enables coordinated attacks, optimized reconnaissance, and the creation of tactical advantages on the battlefield. The tank underwent testing in Tibet's mountainous regions and the deserts of Xinjiang. Leaks about the ZTQ-15 have alarmed US and allied military analysts. The Chinese unmanned tank is seen as a significant advancement in the race for autonomous weaponry. Chinese engineers have developed the world's first spider robots that can potentially be used as kamikaze drones. Equipped with artificial intelligence, these robots can crawl into bunkers, hideouts, and basements while carrying explosives and shrapnel. While little is currently known about the technical specifications of these robotic creations, Chinese military officials warn that encountering such devices on the battlefield will pose a significant challenge for adversaries. Although modern military robotics has primarily advanced in creating effective wheeled and tracked ground drones, the concept of a walking robot long depicted in science fiction books, movies, and video games could soon demonstrate significant effectiveness. Amid the rapid evolution of military drone technology, leading armies worldwide are actively experimenting with various innovations in the segment of ground combat drones. Let's move to Italy, where engineers and scientists from the Sant'Anna School of Advanced Studies in Pisa have created a cutting-edge robosuit that increases the strength of the person wearing it by 20 times. This device can rightfully be considered one of the most advanced mechanisms of its kind in the world. The suit can be used for military purposes as well as during complex rescue operations. It consists of a torso with 2 attached legs and arms. The suit is capable of mimicking the movements of the person controlling it and amplifying their strength by 20 times. The operator can move forward, backward, sideways, rotate on the spot, bend, and go up and down stairs. It is equipped with special sensors that recognize human movements. The robot's arms can support weights up to 100 kilograms and can hold them for extended periods. This exoskeleton, which seems straight out of a science fiction movie, replicates the biomechanics of the human operator, acting as a kind of artificial muscle. A distinctive feature of this device, making it unique, is its multiple degrees of freedom, allowing its operator to perform various movements. Recently, the American company General Dynamics Land Systems unveiled an integrated solution under the Mission Command on the Move program, featuring the MUTT-XM robotic platform and the V60 robot developed by Ghost Robotics Company. The MUTT-XM, or Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, is a versatile robotic vehicle designed to support troops by transporting equipment, ammunition, and supplies, as well as performing reconnaissance and combat support tasks. Complementing this system is the V60 quadrupedal robot from Ghost Robotics Company. This 4-legged robot specializes in reconnaissance, surveillance, and light cargo transport. Its unique design enables it to navigate complex terrains effectively, including narrow urban spaces, forests, and mountainous areas. In the challenging and hazardous task of demining, the Russian army relies on advanced technology. One such innovation is the Uran 6 robotic sapper. This tracked machine is designed for large-scale mine clearance and creating safe paths through minefields. The Uran 6 can neutralize explosive devices of various types, including anti-personnel and anti-tank mines. Its mechanisms are flails, rotors, and bulldozer blades, which destroy explosive objects or safely extract them from the ground. With its powerful capabilities, the robot can move objects weighing up to 1 ton, fill trenches, and excavate neutralized mines. The Uran 6 weighs approximately 6 tons, allowing it to withstand mine explosions and remain operational. It operates using remotely controlled systems, ensuring the safety of its operator while maintaining precise control, even under hostile fire. The Turkish army continues to advance by integrating cutting-edge weaponry, exemplified by the Sungur short-range man-portable air defense system developed by Roketsan Company. Sungur is designed to provide short-range air defense for both mobile and stationary assets on the battlefield. Its portability and compatibility with multiple platforms make it a versatile air defense solution. Key specifications include an effective range of up to 8 kilometers and an effective altitude of up to 4 kilometers. It is equipped with advanced targeting systems that enable detection, identification, and tracking of targets at extended ranges and any time of a day. Sungur completed rigorous testing and was officially adopted by the Turkish Armed Forces in 2023, reinforcing Turkey's defense capabilities with a highly reliable and mobile air defense system. German engineers are also actively developing unmanned heavy weapon systems. The leading German company Rheinmetall has introduced its contribution to this field, the Autonomous Combat Warrior Vehicle. This autonomous combat vehicle stands out for its lightweight design, maneuverability, and efficiency, making it a versatile and reliable tool for a wide range of military tasks. The ACW Weasel operates in 3 modes: manually, remotely via a tablet, and fully autonomously. In autonomous mode, it can follow pre-programmed routes, avoid obstacles, and adapt to changing battlefield conditions. It is powered by an 81 kilowatt Volkswagen diesel engine, providing high performance and reliability. Its compact size and lightweight design allow the ACW Weasel to be airlifted for rapid deployment. The primary role of the ACW Weasel is to support soldiers in high-risk situations. It can be used for reconnaissance missions, cargo transport, and fire support. With its autonomous capabilities, this combat vehicle reduces the need for direct human involvement, thereby minimizing risks to military personnel. Russia has recently intensified the development of military robots, ranging from support systems and reconnaissance units to combat platforms. One notable project is the Bratishka robotic platform, which has successfully passed trials and is now deployed in active service. This compact unmanned vehicle was designed to support assault groups and transport supplies, but its primary function is to provide fire support, being equipped with a turret-mounted weapon system. Bratishka is remotely controlled, significantly reducing risks for its operators. The platform is capable of navigating rough terrain and performing tasks in challenging conditions. In combat scenarios, it is effectively utilized for enemy suppression and reconnaissance missions. Imagine a robot that serves as a guard, scout, and effective combatant capable of neutralizing tanks and operating autonomously. Meet the Russian military robot named Marker, a versatile robotic platform designed to tackle a wide range of tasks. Its standout feature is its advanced artificial intelligence system. Equipped with technical vision, the robot can analyze its surroundings, identify targets, and autonomously determine optimal movement routes. The robot's versatility is reinforced by its modular design, allowing it to be outfitted with various weaponry, ranging from machine guns to loitering munitions. Additionally, the platform can deploy swarms of kamikaze drones, providing significant tactical advantages. In peacetime, Marker can be employed for guarding facilities, monitoring perimeters, or even acting as a courier to deliver supplies to remote locations. Ukrainian companies have introduced numerous innovative military robots that promise to revolutionize the defense industry this year. One of these developments is Ironclad, a multifunctional unmanned ground vehicle developed by the Ukrainian company Roboneers for combat missions, as well as logistical and medical support. The robot is designed to operate in complex tactical conditions and can function as part of a reconnaissance strike complex or autonomously under operator control. With a payload capacity of 350 kilograms, Ironclad can transport ammunition, equipment, or evacuate the wounded from the battlefield. Its wheeled chassis provides high maneuverability and the ability to navigate challenging terrains. Special attention has been given to Ironclad's combat capabilities. Its integrated weapon module delivers significant firepower, enabling it to effectively engage targets on the front lines. The deployment of such equipment greatly enhances the tactical capabilities of military forces, expanding the operational depth of combat zones and reducing risks to personnel. The Turkish company Aselsan has developed a combat robot named SAROT, designed to perform various tasks in combat conditions, such as reconnaissance, fire support, and explosive ordnance disposal. This robot combines advanced technologies with a high degree of autonomy, making it a powerful tool on the battlefield. SAROT boasts excellent mobility, allowing it to navigate complex terrain effectively. It is equipped with state-of-the-art surveillance and navigation systems, including high-definition cameras and thermal imagers, providing excellent vision in all conditions. The robot also has powerful sensors and radars capable of detecting threats at long distances. The robot has a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour on flat surfaces and can operate autonomously for up to 8 hours. SAROT weighs around 200 kilograms. Its armament includes machine guns and grenade launchers, enabling it to engage targets at significant distances effectively. Its high level of protection makes SAROT resistant to gunfire and explosions, and its autonomous functions allow it to plan routes and execute tasks without operator intervention. Let's shift to the United States, where a robot dog with a flamethrower attached to its back has gone on sale. The manufacturer Throwflame first unveiled its new creation named Thermonator last summer, and now it's available for purchase. The company shared a new video showcasing the capabilities of the Thermonator. The video, just under 2 minutes long, starts with the flamethrower's fuel being filled on the robot's rear end. Then, the Thermonator is seen spewing flames, including a frame demonstrating its jumping ability. On its website, the company presents the creation as the world's first flamethrower-equipped robot dog. Its price tag is nearly $10,000. Some critics warn that if the robot falls into the wrong hands, serious problems could arise. However, the developers themselves do not consider their creation a weapon. They position the robot as a tool for special effects, considering Throwflame's active involvement in the film industry. Apparently, the model of the robot dog with a flamethrower is chosen from the Unitry Go 1 series, a small quadruped robot. The creators could have used a larger model from Boston Dynamics, but perhaps they preferred this option for its versatility and maneuverability. The RCVL, Robotic Combat Vehicle, Light, is a lightweight robotic vehicle recently developed by Kinetic and Pratt Miller Defense for the United States Army. This innovative system is designed to perform a wide range of tasks, including reconnaissance, fire support, and logistics. The RCVL is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, providing high mobility and a top speed of 64 kilometers per hour. Weighing just over 4 tons, it can carry a payload of up to 2,700 kilograms. The vehicle can be equipped with remotely operated weapon stations, surveillance systems, or transport modules. A key feature is its modular open systems architecture developed by Kinetic Company, which allows the integration of various payloads and customization for specific missions, such as combat scenarios, demining operations, or supply delivery. Hyundai Roadrunner is a leading South Korean company in engineering and defense technologies, and it has unveiled its multi-purpose unmanned ground vehicle. This innovative platform is designed to carry out various military tasks without direct human involvement, significantly enhancing operational safety and efficiency. Hyundai Roadrunner's UGV features a modular design, allowing rapid adaptation for missions of various types, including reconnaissance, cargo transport, casualty evacuation, and fire support. The vehicle is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence systems and sensors, enabling autonomous navigation across challenging terrain, obstacle detection and avoidance, and task execution without operator intervention. Hyundai Roadrunner is actively testing the platform, with plans to integrate it into the Republic of Korea's armed forces and offer it to international markets. Beyond military applications, the company is exploring the potential for this technology in civilian fields, such as rescue operations and logistics. The Russian army has unveiled a new ground robotic system named the BRG-1, designed for both casualty evacuation and cargo delivery. Developed with the challenges of combat conditions in mind, the BRG-1 features a robust tracked platform capable of navigating rugged terrain at speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. The system has a load capacity of up to 250 kilograms, enabling it to transport medical stretchers with injured personnel. The primary mission of the BRG-1 is to reduce risks for medics and soldiers in conflict zones by performing tasks remotely at distances of up to 700 meters. Equipped with video cameras and a control system, the BRG-1 allows operators to perform missions from a safe location. The robot is constructed with 90% domestically produced components, and its development was a collaborative effort involving Russian scientific and industrial organizations, as well as the People's Frontline Fund. Here is the Scorpion 2 robotic platform, a multifunctional unmanned system developed by the Ukrainian company Temerland for both military and civilian applications. The Scorpion 2 is a tracked platform that can be equipped with an automated turret carrying a 12.7mm caliber machine gun or a grenade launcher. A notable feature is the inclusion of a drone launcher, a device capable of deploying unmanned aerial vehicles with a 360-degree rotation capability. The platform weighs 370 kilograms. Its control system includes 2 NVIDIA Jetson onboard computers and 2 programmable controllers, enabling both autonomous and remote operation over a range of up to 2 kilometers via Wi-Fi connection. The robot can autonomously follow a lead vehicle, navigate a pre-programmed route using GPS, or return to its base if communication with the operator is lost. In China, the largest military bionic robot yak has been created. It is intended to be used as a courier for delivering ammunition and supplies, as well as for reconnaissance missions. The Chinese-engineered mechanical yak is enormous, powerful, intelligent, and fast. The state-owned China Central Television presented this robot to the public. While its robotic counterpart is less than half its size, it can carry up to 160 kilograms of cargo and achieve a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. This model is originally designed for military tasks, capable of navigating through any terrain, including snow, deserts, and rocky terrain. The robot can jump, run, move diagonally, and make turns. In addition to advanced sensors, it is equipped with 12 sets of modules that allow the machine to perceive the surrounding world. The bionic robot can gather tactical information on the battlefield and be utilized for logistical tasks. The Yak robot is expected to become a strategic tool for conducting operations in the most challenging and inaccessible areas and under any weather conditions, including deployment in border territories. The U.S. Army continues to expand its humanoid workforce. A new addition to the ranks is the Petman robot, which will initially be used for testing uniforms, protective suits, and other means of sustaining the viability of military personnel. However, the creators note that after some enhancements, the robot may be capable of actively participating in combat on the side of the U.S. Army. Petman is a unique invention, matching average human dimensions precisely. It has the same 4 limbs, but no head, replaced by a red flashing beacon. The android can move at varying speeds, jump, squat, perform push-ups, and maintain balance even under external influence. Its physiology also mimics human characteristics, at least to the extent necessary for testing military wardrobe items in real conditions with the maximum possible level of realism for the machine. The development involved the expertise of the top professionals from Boston Dynamics, closely collaborating with the Pentagon. The company refrains from commenting on whether their creations can engage in combat against humans and wield weapons. What is known is that the current version is definitely incapable of such actions, unlike potential future developments. Anobot is one of the latest Turkish military robots developed to enhance the operational capabilities of the Turkish armed forces. It is an autonomous or remotely controlled robot equipped with advanced technologies to ensure high efficiency on the battlefield. Anobot is fitted with a powerful artificial intelligence system that allows it to make decisions independently and adapt to changing battlefield conditions. It can be equipped with various types of weapons, such as machine guns or grenade launchers, as well as surveillance and reconnaissance systems. The robot can move at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, with an autonomous operating time of up to 8 hours. In case of a loss of communication, Anobot is capable of returning to base independently or continuing to execute the assigned mission. Additionally, the robot is equipped with night vision and thermal detection systems, enabling it to effectively perform tasks in any lighting and weather conditions. The combat robot Hanser, developed by the Turkish company Electroland Defense, is a medium-class unmanned ground vehicle. Hanser was created as part of Turkey's project to develop unmanned ground vehicles and is characterized by high off-road capability and maneuverability, allowing it to operate effectively in challenging terrains. This robot is equipped with a remote weapon control system, making it suitable for various combat tasks, including reconnaissance and fire support. Hanser has a payload capacity of up to 500 kilograms and can operate autonomously for up to 6 hours after 3 hours of charging. The control range is up to 1,500 meters. The robot is equipped with a tracked movement system, allowing it to overcome vertical slopes of up to 60 degrees, side slopes of up to 30 degrees, and trenches up to 60 centimeters wide. Hanser can be equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun or a 40mm grenade launcher, enhancing its firepower and versatility on the battlefield. The Chinese company Kestrel Defense recently conducted tests of its firearm-equipped robot dog named Bloodwing. This robot is designed for military use and was developed for situations that require strike attacks behind enemy lines. In a demonstration that sparked significant interest online, the robot dog with a firearm mounted on its back is dropped from a drone and begins providing fire support. With this setup, the drone can deploy the robot in hard-to-reach areas, such as building rooftops or zones where enemy fire positions need to be suppressed. The Bloodwing robot resembles four-legged robots like Boston Dynamics Spot, but is weaponized to enhance its combat capabilities. According to Kestrel Defense, this robot can be effectively used in tactical operations to create a three-dimensional assault on enemy positions. The US military is also striving to keep up with their Chinese counterparts by conducting extensive tests involving powerful weaponry mounted on robot dogs. Recently, the US Marine Corps tested the Unry Go-1 robot dog equipped with a modified M72 grenade launcher. The military believes that such robots could prove useful in urban combat situations, allowing soldiers to engage the enemy from a safe distance or from cover. The weapon system on the robot's back includes a mount designed to hold and fire the handheld M72 grenade launcher, along with a forward-facing GoPro camera. In a video from the tests released by the military, the launcher attached to the robot fires from a static position, supported by sandbags, likely for added stability against recoil and to ensure safety for the testers. What's particularly interesting about this test is that the robot dog carrying the grenade launcher is manufactured by the Chinese company Unry. The combat robot Alpar was introduced by the Turkish company Otokar in 2023 and is a heavy unmanned ground combat vehicle. Alpar is designed to perform a variety of tasks, including reconnaissance, fire support, logistical support, air defense, and anti-tank warfare. This robot weighs up to 15 tons and is equipped with an autonomous control system and artificial intelligence, which allows it to reduce risks for personnel and increase task efficiency. It is armed with a 30mm cannon and OMTAS anti-tank missiles developed by Roketsan. The robot can operate in both fully autonomous and remotely controlled modes. Notable features of Alpar include a low thermal signature, the ability to be transported by planes and helicopters, and rapid battery replacement. The robot is equipped with a hybrid electric drive system, providing a range of up to 500 kilometers in hybrid mode and up to 50 kilometers in fully electric mode. Boeing Phantom Works has developed the high-tech unmanned aerial vehicle Boeing Phantom Eye, which is capable of operating at altitudes of up to 19,812 meters, staying airborne for up to 4 days without refueling. One of the key features of Phantom Eye is its use of liquid hydrogen as fuel. This makes it environmentally friendly, as it only emits water. Phantom Eye is ideal for missions such as reconnaissance, surveillance, disaster monitoring, and even scientific research. The aircraft has a wingspan of 46 meters and is powered by 2 internal combustion engines with a volume of 2.3 liters, specially adapted to run on hydrogen. Its maximum flight speed reaches 278 kilometers per hour, and its payload capacity is 204 kilograms, allowing it to carry high-precision reconnaissance and communication equipment. At the International Military Technical Forum Army 2024, the Kalashnikov company presented an impressive show where robot dogs performed a synchronized dance. These robotic dogs, dressed in camouflage, moved in coordinated formations, showcasing the capabilities of modern robotics and its potential for military applications. The performance captivated the audience, especially as robotic systems are increasingly becoming an integral part of the defense sector. The Army Forum serves not only as a platform to display the latest weaponry, but also to highlight dual-purpose technologies that can be used in both military and civilian fields. In addition to robot dogs, the forum featured robotic deminers, rescue stretchers, and other systems designed to ease tasks on the battlefield. In August 2024, China successfully conducted the maiden test flight of its latest unmanned cargo aircraft. The trials took place at Fengming Airport, located in Sichuan Province in the southwest of the country. The aircraft was developed and built by Sichuan Tengden Technology Co. Ltd. And is equipped with 2 engines and designed for cargo transportation. It features ease of loading and unloading, reliability, safety, and a high level of automation. This unmanned aircraft is the largest in its class in China, with a payload capacity of up to 2 metric tons. Its development aims to meet the growing demand for unmanned cargo transport, particularly in remote or hard-to-reach areas. The successful testing of this aircraft highlights China's significant advancements in unmanned aviation technology and its ambition to secure a leading position in this sector. The family of transformable unmanned systems named Pegasus is offered by Robotic Research. This tactically deployable autonomous robotic system can operate both as a vertical takeoff and landing drone and a tracked unmanned ground vehicle. The Pegasus lineup is equipped with artificial intelligence that allows it to avoid obstacles and create detailed 3D maps in any environment. The Pegasus family includes 3 variants: the medium-sized Pegasus 2, the heavy-lift Pegasus 3, and the small Pegasus Mini. Pegasus drones are capable of performing various missions in areas inaccessible to other robots and drones. They can fly through upper windows of buildings, land inside, and navigate across the upper floor for exploration. The flight time of Pegasus is 20 minutes, and its autonomy in ground mode extends up to 4 hours. Billionaire Palmer Luckey and his company Anduril Industries have introduced an intriguing innovation for the defense industry. The high-speed autonomous drone Roadrunner is a new development from the tech defense startup Anduril Industries. It can check potential threats, intercept and destroy enemy flying objects. The new Roadrunner drone is equipped with dual turbojet engines, allowing the device to reach near supersonic speeds, approximately 700 miles per hour. The drone is launched vertically from a climate-controlled nest, enabling it to operate for months in harsh field conditions. The idea is that squadrons of Roadrunners can be deployed to assess threats detected by radar or humans. If the threat is real, the Roadrunner with its warhead can intercept and destroy it along with itself. If the threat is a false alarm, the drone can return to base, landing vertically on its tail. This drone will cost a few $1,000s, partially justified by the fact that the UAV can be reused. The Norwegian drone Black Hornet is also known as the miniature drone for great deeds. Given its tiny size, it is often called a micro-drone, which is not surprising for a device weighing only 18 grams. Its design is also unusual, resembling a miniature helicopter. The drone's capabilities are impressive, with real-time video streaming being an extraordinary achievement for such compact dimensions. The advanced electro-optical and infrared vision technologies of the device are among the best, which is no surprise since the Black Hornet is manufactured by Teledyne FLIR. The microdrone has been chosen by some of the most progressive armies in the world. Its revolutionary small size has been highly valued by special forces groups, and it even participated in Operation Herrick with the British Army, where it conducted photo and video reconnaissance of enemy positions in Afghanistan. With a rotor diameter of 12 centimeters, the drone can fly about 2 kilometers at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour. The Russian state corporation Rostec has unveiled an unusual protective suit capable of withstanding even explosive ammunition blasts. Wearing such a suit, it is not frightening to walk through a mined field, and this is not just a hypothesis. Viktoria Kolesnikova, a member of the testing group at the Central Scientific Research Institute of Mechanical Engineering, walked through a mined area on a range amidst explosions and fire, resembling the Terminator, and emerged unharmed and alive. During a thorough medical examination after the experiment, no injuries were detected in the employee, except for a bit of dirt. Unfortunately, it was not possible to determine the explosive power this development can withstand, and the information might be classified. The blast-resistant suit developed by Rostec is expected to be adopted by the Russian Ministry of Defense soon. South Korea began presentations of new unmanned ground vehicles developed by the local industry, unveiling the unmanned transporter Ariane Smet at a U.S. military base near Seoul. Ariane Smet is a compact unmanned transporter measuring about 3 meters in length and 1.5 meters in width, performing tasks typical of unmanned vehicles of this type, The main features of the Korean transporter include a range of at least 100 kilometers, with the manufacturer claiming it may go even further depending on external factors. The maximum speed ranges from 34 kilometers per hour to 43 kilometers per hour, depending on the type of terrain it travels. The payload capacity is 550 kilograms. The Hanwha Aerospace project aims for Ariane to transport wounded personnel and military cargo, such as ammunition, medical supplies, consumables, and more. Developers have designed it for tasks like reconnaissance, surveillance, as well as remote search operations. In Korea, the first humanoid robot pilot in the world has been created, capable of operating any human transportation. Specialists from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology unveiled the world's first humanoid robot pilot. What sets the Pybo robot apart from other similar projects is its replication of the human body, allowing it to sit in the seat of any human transportation without modification. The robot can pilot planes and cars in cabins and seats designed for humans. This promises to expedite transportation automation across various sectors in the simplest way possible. For the military, such a robot would be a real breakthrough if placed in a combat fighter, thanks to its built-in artificial intelligence system, revolutionizing the military sector and creating the ideal soldier robot. The robot can react faster to emergency situations, retain all navigation maps and instructions, and remain unfazed in complex physical environments, such as encountering air pockets and potholes on the road. Additionally, the robot will gain experience through artificial intelligence. The robot's capabilities were tested on a flight simulator, performing taxiing, takeoff, cruising, maneuvers, and landing. In the near future, the development team intends to test the robot on a real light aircraft. The developers plan to complete the research project by 2026 and then proceed with the commercialization of PyBot. Recently, the new tiltrotor AW609 from the Italian company Leonardo made its first takeoff and landing on an aircraft carrier, demonstrating the unique combination of aircraft speed and helicopter maneuverability. This important event has opened new prospects for the use of the AW609 in military operations, including transportation, search and rescue missions, and support for special operations. The AW609 is the world's first certified commercial tiltrotor, capable of taking off and landing vertically like a helicopter, while achieving speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour and a flight range of over 1,300 kilometers like an airplane. Its unique design allows it to perform tasks in the most challenging conditions, from maritime operations to missions in remote areas. It can carry up to 9 passengers or be equipped for specialized missions such as medical evacuation and border patrol. The Belarusian armed forces have developed a drone equipped with an RPG-26 Aglin anti-tank rocket launcher. This unusual drone was first demonstrated in a video, where it takes off and quickly launches the rocket, showcasing its potential for use in combat against armored vehicles. The drone is equipped with 4 engines that ensure stable flight and allow it to be controlled from the ground. This solution significantly enhances the mobility and flexibility of the RPG-26, making it an effective means for aerial attacks without risking the operator. Anduril Industries has developed a versatile loitering munition called the Altius 700M, designed for precision strikes against armored targets and critical infrastructure. The Altius 700M can be deployed from various platforms, including ground, aerial, and maritime carriers, offering exceptional operational flexibility. Its autonomous capabilities allow it to coordinate strikes on multiple targets, enhancing mission efficiency. The munition features a 15-kilogram warhead, comparable to a small missile, making it highly effective against tanks, vehicles, ships, and fortified infrastructure. Its significant payload, high terminal velocity, and delayed fuse capability enable it to penetrate walls and maximize impact against heavily armored targets. The Altius 700M represents a major advancement in loitering munitions, combining substantial payload capacity, precision targeting, and versatile deployment options to meet the demands of modern warfare. At the recent FINDEF Defense exhibition in Spain, the French defense company CNIM unveiled its unmanned military demining robot named Rocus. The centerpiece of the Rocus system is its versatile manipulator, equipped with a range of specialized tools. Among these is an end effector, which can function as a standard claw for gripping and lifting objects, or as advanced equipment capable of tasks such as wire cutting or component unscrewing. Designed for a wide array of tasks related to detecting and neutralizing mines and explosive devices in challenging environments, Rocus is fitted with a tracked chassis for navigating rough terrain. Its sensor suite allows for precise threat detection, and the robot is operated remotely, ensuring the safety of personnel in hazardous situations. The American defense company AeroVironment has developed the Vapor 55 helicopter drone, a versatile and reliable unmanned aerial vehicle designed to perform various tasks in defense, commercial, and industrial sectors. The Vapor 55 features a helicopter-style design optimized for payload flexibility and endurance, making it suitable for missions such as infrastructure inspection, aerial photography, public safety, and defense operations. The Vapor 55 offers increased payload capacity and endurance, capable of carrying up to 22 pounds of payload with a maximum flight duration of 70 minutes, at a maximum takeoff weight of 55 pounds, as established by the Federal Aviation Administration for commercial UAVs. For military purposes, it can operate with an increased takeoff weight of up to 65 pounds. The UAV can be operated automatically or manually using a ground control station equipped with GPS, with the option to install encrypted radios or military transmitters and receivers. Here's the perfect advertisement for camouflage designed specifically for rocky terrain. Just look at how difficult it is to find the camouflage soldier among the rocks. In reality, it's not a special suit that concealed him, but a lightweight cotton shawl, something like a large scarf that can be folded and tucked into a waist bag. In practice, this technology is revolutionary and is in high demand among professional soldiers. Undoubtedly, an ordinary person is unlikely to need it, but military snipers have appreciated the opportunity to become invisible. In just a few seconds, you're no longer a person but a rock.